the MC motor and the 21.5 kilowatt-hour battery. Range. In the real world, riding like a normal person, mixed highway city, I was consistently getting 130 to 140 miles. If you stay in the city, you can easily hit 200 miles. If you blast down the highway at 80 miles per hour constantly, expect closer to 100 miles. This is class leading. Charging. This is the Ribelle's ace card. It is one of the few electric motorcycles with DC fast charging as standard. I pulled into a station with 15% battery, plugged in, went to buy a coffee, and came back 20 minutes later to 85%. This actually makes it a viable touring machine, unlike competitors that take hours to charge on level 2 AC. Industry context. Here is the hard truth you need to know before opening your wallet. Energica Motor Company filed for bankruptcy liquidation in October 2024. Technically, the Eva Ribelle was the apex predator of the electric world, more range than a Livewire 1 and faster charging than a Zero SRF. It sat at the top of the food chain. However, buying one now means buying an orphan bike. Dealer support is dissolving and parts availability is going to be a scavenger hunt. You are buying a piece of history, not a supported product.